It shows the water pressure at 70 pounds per square inch. We look at between 40 and 70. This is the electrical panel, good connections here. We're looking for burning and other signs of overuse. Here I'm looking to see if it's double tapped, it's not. Other side, no double tapping, it's good. Just a shot of the panel itself. Here we're in the attic over the garage. We haven't got fireproofing. You see that hole by the pipe? The other hole where the wires are, fire could get through that. Should be sealed. The actual attic access, stuck open. Actually should have a seal on it as well. This should be a self-closing door. It's not. We've got cracks in the caulking around the tub. Broken outlet in the kitchen. No sediment traps on the gas supply to the furnaces. There's no. There's disconnected flue in the attic. Another disconnected flue in the attic. Another missing sediment trap. No bonding on this flue. This water heater, brand new by the look of it, but it didn't light. Intermittent fault. These plastic covers on these lights and switches should be changed to metal. Got a leaking water heater. Sorry, leaking dishwasher, and this is the valve that's leaking. The food disposal didn't work. The burner at the back didn't light. This fire didn't light. This is inside the fire. It's a balanced flue type fire. This is the logs, gas logs. Neither of the air conditioning units worked. One run, this one was running. The dead front was missing from this panel. This is the air conditioning unit for downstairs, set at 65, it never cooled. You can see here temperature is 69 and we had it set at 65, it just wasn't cooling at all. Again with this shot here. This register is actually 74, it's upstairs, so all the heat rises up there naturally. Another one at 74. That's the return. Return is not much different. Leak at this sink. It's upstairs in the bathroom, off the games room. Picture of the oven temperature. We set the temperature at 350 at G332. Water leak in the old water heater. Damage to making sure they are properly. The caulking and the mortar joints out the windows and window sills are in very poor condition. This one's got a great hole in it. Loads of water's going to get in there. This is the condition of all the caulking around the house entirely, so you've got to plan to re-caulk everything. Going to inspect the roof, going up and down on the roof. I'm using an elevated camera. From the ground we can see the damage to the roof. We're going to be looking at that damage. There it is there. right elevation now. See the roof damage there. We'll get a better shot of that later. Here we're just looking at the shingles very closely, trying to see if there's any possible pattern. We're looking to see if there's any damage at the right at the edge of the roof. Close up of the damage to the roof at right hand elevation. See the winds taking the shingles off. Here we're just looking at the whole roof in general, on the slope, see if the wind's taking off the shingles away. We're at the gas water heater. I tried to light it, it was off because the gas bin's off. There was an intermittent fault on the igniter. This is the igniter, that green button there. You press that and you get a spark inside the chamber. Well, sometimes it sparked, other times it didn't. So, intermittent fault on the unit. Flue to the water heater is in dangerous condition. You can see the flue is actually coming apart. And this is because it's not been screwed together correctly. You've got screws going into the legs here. That's correct, but this also should be fitted in place. You can see it just moves. Now because it's outside, it goes outside and it's in the wind, this could move away from here at any time. I'm just going to put that back so that it's relatively safe, not that it's a light, but you know, big issue, it's got to be fixed. We have gas in the firing up in the furnace. That's furnace number whatever. What number is this? It doesn't have a furnace number. And it shows here it was installed in 2008, so it's a relatively new furnace. This is burning away. General condition of the systems is good. No signs of water. Okay. There's a leak at the dishwasher. It's actually leaking from this valve here. Here's the culprit, and it's pooling all over the counter. I've turned the dishwasher off, so the dishwasher in effect is non-functional. You hear the food disposal humming, the wheels are not turning, and the unit is not functioning. This is a switch for the fire. I'm turning it on, but it's not lighting, so fire is not functional. One compressor running, one compressor is not. The system for the ground floor appears not to be operating. There's a water leak at the vanity off at the games room. Under the sink, the vanity sink at the games room, there's a water leak. We're in a closet below the water heater. The water heater at some point has leaked and it's damaged the ceiling.